Hello, cherished viewers. Welcome back to Sandy Home Recipe. Mama call about Sandy Home Recipe. Today, you can share a video. Remember, room to subscribe. Now I share. Now I like it. Now me a notification bell no. So that the video be a better one sabeka. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much for your support. May the good Lord bless you all. And if it's a better chocolate biscuit, be 200-gram butter and margarine. What the 1/4 cup powdered sugar, vanilla. Now we're creaming it all together. We're creamy we know. Now the 1.5 cup all-purpose flour, half tablespoon baking powder, 2 tablespoons unsweet cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon powder milk, what the milk kakra beka no mix amana for me do. We another cut to working surface so no worry. Where we know now the biscuit cutter akate. Now there are 2 grease baking trays so. Please, if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and also click the bell icon to get new video we will post. We're baking 180 degrees for 25 minutes. After 25 minutes, we hear free oven. One man out no serve. Yep, matches and the kind I will share a video. Remember to subscribe. Now I share. Now I like it. No me a notification bell no. Say the video be a better one sabeka. Now this our chocolate biscuit. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.